The theft of fish from Kamlashagar Pond at Kasba Kalibari Temple has become a hot topic on social media. A letter from MP Pratima Bhumik centering permission for fishing at the pond has spread like wildfire amid the social media platforms and has raised a number of questions amid the common people and intellectuals. At a time when tensions are already running high over alleged theft of fishing from Kasba Kalibari Temple Pond, the letter from MP Pratima Bhumik as the undersigned related to the controversial topic has sparked extreme controversy in the state. Former MP, senior CPM leader and GMP President Jiten Chaudhary has also strongly reacted over the incident on social media. The letter written on official pad of MP Pratima Bhumik said that she had informed the BOP commandant on 22nd of May that 10 fishermen would go for fishing in the Kamlashagar pond at night and the work would be supervised by Vishnupada Dhar and Dilip Das. She asked the BOP commandant to allow them for the work. Jiten Chaudhary said that it's hard to believe such things, mentioning that various ponds in the holy temples of the state, including Kasba Kalibari Temple Pond, are not meant for fishing as they are associated with the emotions and religious sentiments of the people who come there for worship. Reformist BJP MLA Ashish Das has also sharply reacted to the theft of fish from Kamlashagar Pond with the connivance of MP Pratima Bhumik. He mentioned in social media how MP Pratima Bhumik wrote to the BSF for fishing in a holy temple premise, where the BJP leaders brag about Hindu religion, where question arises, how can an MP allow fishing from a temple pond? Notably, several devotees leave fishes in the holy temple ponds, feed the fishes as a part of their worship rituals. In this situation, the incident has become a matter of great concern. On earlier occasion, Vicky Prasad, leader of BJP Youth Front, had also taken out fish from the lake of Lakshmi Narayan Bari Temple in Agartala. The incident has caused a stir among the religious sentiments of the people. The question arises, how those who fly the flag of religion and sing praises about religious sentiments are getting involved in theft of fish from religious water bodies. Bureau Report, Halabor.